Hey there guys, I just got home and just received my J-tag from Chromemods. It's a bad NAND repair, so yeah, let's get it open. Let me put you down. He wrapped it up pretty good. Here's the actual console. And here's the console. So let me go get my wires and everything. Alright guys, let me just get this put together real quick. So let me just plug this in and go get my J-tag. Now this is a Jasper. Let me just get my HDMI cable because it supports HDMI. Sorry about it, all the scrambleness. Turn on my TV. Just get my controller. Sorry about all the scribbling around and everything, guys. As you can hear, it's extremely loud. So guys, that's proof that it turns on. So the Jasper, so it's going to take a little bit to connect and boot up. So there you go, guys. It's there you go. I don't have my hard drive in. If you guys want to go get my hard drive. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and that's proof for Chromemods. All right, see you guys later.